In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit the standard formatting elements in Fade-In or create your own from scratch. Let's have a look. Hi, this is Bela from the Writer's Territory, and today I'll show you how you can modify the preset element styles if that's what you want to do. Almost all aspects of the built-in element styles can be modified. However, if you like to add completely new ones, you can do so as well. Custom element styles are saved along with the document you're actually using. If you no longer need them, you can delete them, of course. You cannot delete the built-in element styles though. For built-in as well as for custom element styles, you can change the following: the name, the font, including face, size and formatting, indentation, alignment, and the spacing before the paragraph, the line spacing within the paragraph, and whether a paragraph of this element needs to begin on a new page. If you set an element to be an act break, it will end any current scene. You need to keep that in mind for numbering, for example. You can also change on which element style each element is based. Also, which element style will be next when you press Enter or Tab. Besides using elements for formatting, you can also use the usual formatting tools for underlining, bold, italic, and strike through. Also, the usual buttons for left, center, and right alignment are exactly where you would expect them. You have several colors to choose from if you want to highlight text. You can also search your screenplay for highlighted text, for example, if you want to mark up areas that you plan to rework. Most likely you won't run into a situation where you want to change the font formatting, because screenplay formatting usually is set to some variant of the 12-point Courier font. But still, if you want to do so, you can change face, size and formatting. If you want to change the font for the entire script, however, you should do so by changing the font of the normal text element. If you want to download Courier screenplay fonts, go to fadeinpro.com and get them there. The upper lowercase button toggles a word or a whole selection between all upper and all lowercase. Be aware that for some elements, upper and lowercase is handled by the element setting itself. For example, in the case of scene headings. You can adjust the line length if needed, for example, if you want to keep a single word from breaking onto the next line. Use the Adjust Line Length button to do so. If you want to learn more about different fade-in tools and functions, look for more articles and videos on writersterritory.com or on my YouTube channel. If you're missing something, drop me a quick message and tell me what you've been looking for that I should include in future articles and videos. If you like this video and you're here for the first time, please subscribe to my channel. I want to help you find the perfect writing software for you and help you with problems and questions you might have about the software you already own, so you can go back to your writing as quickly as possible and spread the important stories and messages you want to share with others and hopefully enrich other people's lives. If you want to get in contact with me, the links are down below. Just drop me a message and I'll respond as quickly as I can. Have fun writing, everybody. See you. Bye.